Hi, John here. In this video, I would like to go through if you can use one Facebook ad account to sell through an ad account to multiple products in your store, that could be like part of some different niches, and different audiences, and if it really works for your store and if it will not hurt your conversions. But first, if you like my content and you would like to see more of content, I'm uploading videos every day, so if you like it, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and also if you have some ideas about the next videos, definitely let me know down in comments because I'm always looking for some new ideas. Why people think that using one ad account to sell all your products in your store is a problem? Well, it's basically all about pixel. Most people think that pixel it will not recognize different products and that they can have like different audiences, and basically people think it will be like some chaos and Facebook will start optimizing you on like wrong audiences. I do not believe it's a problem because last couple of years I always had like usually one big ad account for a store, So I was sharing Pixel basically through all these products, and doesn't matter if it were products about some cars, or like some home stuff, or like some bathroom products. I was sharing the pixel with all of them, and I actually never had any problem. And I was selling all these products at the same time. I had just in that ad account each campaign, for different product. I also have like different campaign with that product for retargeting, and I never really have a problem, because Facebook is smart, They understand that these people belongs to this product and the product belongs to like here, Because the pixel is like super smart. It reads like content views, like people who try to initiate checkout or people who just add it to cart, or like website clicks, purchases, It reads like so many different things that they understand, that this product, it belongs here, and they also know it from those URLs, right? Because if you will even check, that inside of Pixel, your data, you will see that Facebook will also read everything based on those URLs and then connecting those events to those URLs. So basically, it understands, that this is product, this is product, this is product, and this people belongs to this product, this people belongs to this product, and then based on that, it optimizes basically, and it kind of works, So I understand that some people probably have like some concerns, but at least in my case, it always worked. Only thing that I'm just trying to separate is pixel from store. I don't want to have these pixels connected to each other, and I don't want to have stores on same business accounts. So basically for each store, I always create new business managers, because if you will have everything in one business manager, and you will get some like more complicated flag, when your ad account was disabled, you can really like lose everything, in the business manager. So don't connect it, You can have one ad account for all products, it doesn't matter, but don't try to push everything in one business manager. That would be like a mistake, because really, if you will do something like a little bit more hardcore, Facebook will just ban your business manager, and all these ad accounts will go down with it, okay? So then you can like easily lose, like all stores, at 1 second, which could be like kind of problem, because if you will just lose one and you will still have like second or third, you will be able basically to move like more money there and kind of like save your business while you will be rebuilding that first store that got flagged. So definitely don't like mix it all, in one business manager or one account. Like definitely not one account, because like accounts like fall like it's like nothing, they just throw these flags like candies. So definitely if you want to protect yourself and sleep like normally at night, definitely like separate these businesses from each other. That's also like what happened to me in my experience, in the past, when I was running like multiple stores, and I got like flag, and like I had two stores in one business manager and they all fall, and then if you have like a couple of good products, winning products, and you are selling all these stores like same things, then if you will get some problem with that product in one ad account, it's basically like that a whole business manager is poison, right? So there's like a huge chance that if you lost that first ad account and had some problems with that ad to that specific product, they will just shut down also that second ad account, that is running that product. So you need to be really like careful, because if you will not really, I think there's that one like barrier is that business manager, right? So when you will just create new business manager for it, you are kind of like in different, like clean business, and these two businesses, even when they are using like same company, they have nothing to do with each other. So definitely like do that, and don't risk like your everything what you have in Facebook advertising just by like putting it all in like one basket. Like I understand that some people say like that you should put something in one basket and then watch that basket. Well, in Facebook it doesn't work like that. Just try to have like multiple baskets. So if you will like smash one basket, it will still have like 5 other baskets. So definitely like protect yourself this way. I'm like serious. Like I know it hurts. I've been there. I felt the pain. And stress. I don't like it. I don't like when like a business stops. I won't like to make money like every day, like on daily basis. So definitely like do that and protect yourself. Thank you for watching, and definitely download my free ebook, Ultimate Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. It's basically built on that what I was just talking about. So if you want to like survive, or you want to like be like a ninja, and like hide from Facebook, well, that ebook is basically for you. So it will take you out of the Facebook circle of hell. So definitely download that, and if you have some like hardcore problem, definitely join Adferation. It's basically my free Facebook mastermind group. It's full of high-level marketers. So if you will ask there some questions, there is like people who spend like $1 million on Facebook every year, and they will immediately give you like some answer. So it just started. It's just like small group. So now every time when you will ask, people will respond like very fast. So definitely join Adferation today. Also, if you like my content, I upload it every day, so subscribe if you like it, and hit the bell button. It will definitely help me. And if you have some ideas about some future content, definitely put something in comments, and watch my previous video about when I stop ad sets if they are like not performing properly. And there is also like example of my product that is like $45 priced, so those rules basically work on that. So definitely watch that. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye.